Now that I'm done setting up the initial parameters, I'm going to run the proposal. So this is just going to go out and pick out our invoices that are going to be included in the payment. And we can review those before we actually submit the payment for processing. I can go in and review, see which invoices did I include, which payments do I now have. So we have our 2 vendors, so 2 payments as expected. Now that I've verified that, I am going to submit the payment. And this is going to create our payment medium. So this is going to create our iDocs using the standard RFFO EDI1 program. And I can see we have 2 orders. Now, the iDocs themselves have been generated in SAP using ABAP programming. These are sent to the CPI, the Cloud Platform Integration, which does the transformation from iDocs to the standard Kyriba payment format that we are expecting. In order to see what is happening with our payments, we have built a payment order monitor. This one will allow a user to go in and look at any payments that have been sent to Kyriba, so based off of filtering criteria. And as we'll see here, these are the 2 invoices that we had used. The name, the IDs of the payment documents as well. We have additional information in here, run IDs, we have the account number, the partner numbers as well, and we have our status of the payment order. Now, initially, this one is going to be set to send to middleware. That means that it has been sent to CPI. CPI is working on the transformation into the CSV format. Once CPI sends it over to Data Hub, the status is changed to sent to Kyriba. Now that the payments have been imported, we can see them. They've been integrated successfully in the system. We have 2 payments in here with the vendors that we are expecting. And I can click into one of the payments. So this data has all been transferred from SAP. So we could look up the specific payment document using the information that we have stored here in the reference number, or we can also just simply go into the payment monitor and say, look at the payment document number in there, so 276, and I can go in here and it will allow me to double click and automatically pull up detailed information. The file has been imported into SAP and the status has now changed to bank processed. I could double click on this and I could actually see the progression of the statuses with the timestamps. And if I scroll over, I'll also see the last acknowledgement date and the time that was actually received from the bank itself.